Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk keto and what's going on because you know it's the weekend and we discuss our week and how it's been and what we're going to do for this coming week. Sipping on some little drink here. I just came home from the gym, so we're going to talk about it. So let's just jump into it, shall we? So today is Sunday and I just got home from the gym. I have a new workout schedule that I am going to try this week, and I'm thinking it's going to do really good. I'm really trying. It's kind of hard for me to get to the gym on certain days because you know, I got kids in school. Some of my kids don't go to school on certain days, and I just have issues with babysitting. And when my husband comes home, everybody's just getting home from school, and it's like that after school chaos, and I lose it once the kids get home. So here is my new workout plan. So today is Sunday. I'm planning on going to the gym today, and I did 1 hour of cardio. That's all I did. So I did not like straight. I did 20 minutes on the bike, 20 minutes on, it's called like a glider, I guess, and then 20 minutes on the treadmill, not running, walking on an incline. So I did that. I feel really good. I am tired. I definitely can tell you I'm tired. But I did it and it worked out pretty good. So then I'm going to go back on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Tuesday and Thursday are going to be a separation of leg days with abs and a little bicep work on my lighter of the leg days. And then on Wednesday is going to be like back and shoulders with abs as well. So that's 4 days a week, 4 days of cardio, 20 minutes when I'm doing the weights, and an hour on the non-weight days, and abs 3 days a week. I'm gonna see how that goes, kind of see how I'm feeling and how my schedule is working out for me. I would love to go to the gym on Fridays after work because I have a break and I could just run up there once the kids get home. But I usually don't have the energy. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I'm on my feet. I work in a hospital, so I'm on my feet a good 8 hours, the whole 8 hours, okay? And yeah, I just don't have it. I wish I did. I wish I was better at it, but you know, I just don't. And I just don't want to, you know, wear myself down. I could probably squeeze in some Saturdays, but usually on Saturday I do like my house cleaning. You know, Saturdays are for cleaning around here. And Sundays just work out really nice because Sundays I usually don't even clean my house. My husband's home. I can just run up and get to the gym. I come home after the gym and I film my video for you guys. I like to do it post gym because I feel like really pumped and I'm like really excited, and I like sharing that enthusiasm, like that post workout pump with you guys. Yeah, and I love to spread all the workout positivity. So I wanted to try that out this week. Hopefully it works out really well. That's the plan. That's the plan, my friends. Let's talk eating. Eating went really well, actually. I did a full day of eating this week, so you guys were able to check that out. Hopefully you guys liked it. I have a really great grocery haul coming on Tuesday. I actually hit up Aldi and I found some really great deals. Some things were for the family. You know, my kids do not do keto, so I don't buy always 100% keto stuff. I just make it fit my life, and I buy stuff that I can eat, and then if my kids want to eat, they can eat as well. And I found some really great things, and they were on, I thought they were really great pricing. I know that eating keto or being keto can be a little pricey, but I try to do it on a budget because we real people around here. We live on a real budget, and this is real life, and I just try to emphasize that to you guys. Like, you know, the money tree in the backyard isn't, you know, always, you know, pouring down money. So, you know, we live on a budget, okay? We live realistically around here. So I have that coming up this week. I think you guys are really gonna like it, and hopefully you have an Aldi by you so you guys can find those things, because guys, I have these bars that I found there and they are fire. Wait till you see them. They are so damn good. So how did my eating else go? I think it went really, really great. I'm gonna try my hand at like what's for dinner for the week. I've seen these videos before and they're actually pretty popular, but I've never seen anybody do them for keto. So I figured, you know, maybe that will work out, you know, for our keto community and, you know, for the family as well, because everything I make for dinner, my kids eat as well. So I think that would work out really nice. I try to just kind of disguise some things that my kids wouldn't eat, but I disguise them as being like potatoes, but they're radishes, French fries, but it's Jamaica, you know, like things like that. So that's the plan. Also, I want to talk about these drinks too. These are the Cascade Ice. I get these at the Jewel. Jewel's from Chicago. You know, if you guys are from here, I don't know what it's called where you guys are at. Maybe Kroger or something like that. But these are very similar to the ice ones. This is what this one looks like, if you guys can see. You have to be careful. So the Aldi has one of these, but it has a ton of carbs in it. These are all 0. Guys, you can do the keto pink drink from Starbucks using this, okay? All you're gonna need is one of these and a little heavy cream and some ice, and stir that mother together, and it's so damn good. And I'm saving you, these are on sale right now for 70 cents. It just saved you like $3. You're welcome. You could take them $3. If you go to Starbucks, you know, 4 times a week, 12 bucks, you can probably, I don't know, do it with $12. I don't know. Buy a bag of Lily's chocolate and bake something good, because that's pretty much what you're looking at. Because I have not found a substitute for a cheaper version of Lily's chocolate. I wish, if you guys know of a substitute for Lily's, let your girl know, because I love to do the keto baking. I love it so much, but the price, not so much. Not so much. So yeah, so I've been doing that. I've been really good about getting my water in. I definitely feel leaner. I did jump on the scale. I did it. I actually didn't buy one. I went to my mom's house today because she actually watched my kids last night for me, and she has a scale at her house. So I was like, look, while we're here, I might as well. And at that point, I hadn't eaten anything yet, and I was like, look, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'm gonna take off all my clothes. It's mom's house. I don't care. I used to live there. It's pretty much my house too. And I just jumped on the scale. So I jumped on the scale today, and I was 173.6. That was pretty good. I don't remember what my last weigh-in was. I want to say it was around 170, 175-ish. I'm good with it. My ultimate goal, I mean, I guess if we were going to put a number on it, would probably be like 160, 165. But I'm okay. I'm not really looking to drop the pounds. I don't give a shit about the scale. One more time, I do not give a shit about the scale. I suggest you guys do as I do and do not either. I am looking for these inches, okay? So I want my waist to be snatched, and I want to be firm. I want to be lean. You know what I mean? I want to be muscular, and yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for fat loss. That's what you guys are going to notice. You ever notice that you can see somebody who's, okay, here's an example. I've seen people where they're like, I'm 180 pounds, and I'm like, holy cow. They're a few pounds heavier than me, but they are way smaller than me, and we're the same height. That's because they have a less, their fat amount, their body fat percentage is lower than mine. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I want. I don't give a shit about what some American thing of weight loss, and they're gonna say I'm obese. I don't care, okay? I don't care what your scale says or your little chart says. That doesn't matter to me. That's irrelevant to my life. I lived that way for a very, very long time, and I was not happy, and it just made me feel like I was never going to be what they considered an average or a normal weight. You know what I mean? I was always going to be overweight or obese. Even at my thinnest, I was like, what the hell? You know, I'm never going to fit into this category, you know, and why should you? Why should you fit some kind of category that some unrealistic person set for us? There's no need. Okay, and I want you guys to know that no matter where you're at in your journey, if that, you know, I want you to be healthy. I'm not saying don't be healthy. No, okay? Don't misinterpret that statement. I want you to be healthy. I want you to be the best you can be. But I don't want your goal to be some unrealistic, you know, category that they have set for somebody who's your height. You know, each person carries their weight different. Each person looks different. You know, that's how God made us. They made each and every one of us special and individual, and we're not supposed to fit in some box. So don't ever let anybody, any chart or any recommendation put you in some damn box, because you're bigger than that. You're bigger, you're a better person than that, okay? So I get a lot of that, and I want these Sunday videos. I know you guys like to hear like how my week has been and how I'm losing, and I'm losing inches. I don't care about the pounds, but I'm losing, and I feel good. I don't hurt. I'm not, you know, bloated. I don't feel like I just like run down from all the carbs. I feel the best. I have the most mental clarity. And I know that sounds crazy because I thought that was a bunch of BS that they sold you, but it's so true. I feel like I am legitimately living my best life because I am putting myself first. I'm putting that effort into myself, and I'm giving my body the nutrients that I know works the best. Now, a lot of people don't like keto, and that's okay. I'm not going to sit here and say you need to like keto or we can't be friends, because we're not on that. I'm not on that. I'm not that type of person. It's not my way or the highway. Whatever way works for you, whether it's counting calories, being on Weight Watchers, doing Atkins, doing South Beach, whatever the case may be, okay, then that's great. But please do not come here and tell me that what I'm doing is wrong. Don't come here and say that keto is not a realistic lifestyle because your body needs carbs. It does not. It does not. Okay? And we're just gonna leave it at that. Okay? There's all this science. I'm not a scientist, but you can go ahead and Google it. They'll tell you. Okay? But if you feel that your body needs carbs, then I'm for you, honey. You know, put whatever it is in your tank that you need to keep your engine running. Okay? I like the cheap unleaded, you know, some people like the cheap unleaded fuel. Some people like the, you know, the nitro fuel, whatever. It's on you. You know, that's why we're special, because each thing differs. So if you want to share what works for you, then you do that, because I'm for it, okay? Because not everything, you guys don't even know how many of your comments that I read, and people are like, Danielle, you need to try this. This has really changed it. And I was like, oh, okay, because I don't know everything, and some things that you guys know that I need to know, and I love that you guys share your information with me because we're friends, and I try to share as much as I know with you guys because we're friends. But I don't ever want anybody to come on here and attack me or any of you, because I'm not here for it, honey, and the clapback is too real. So if people decide, and I get thumbs down and people don't want to hear it, and I don't care about that either, but I don't want anybody to verbally feel attacked or feel that they can't be here for the support, because here we're friends. And when I say that, I know I said it before, you guys are my friends. I'm here for you. I'm riding for you. You guys need any type of help or encouragement, or you just want to be like, Danielle, what the hell, help me, or give me something, I'm here for it. Email me, direct message me on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, everything, all my socials are linked below. I am here for you. We are riding together. So last week, like I said, I did pretty good in the gym. I got to it. I really overworked some days. I was really sore for a few days. I did, so I got my vitamins in order. If you guys didn't see, I've been taking the Keto vitamins. They work really great for me, because I'm really bad about taking vitamins. So the little package makes it really easy. And I'm getting my water in. That was, you know, I think those days that I was really sore, the water really helped me. And yeah, just eating really well. You know, I went to an engagement party yesterday and I had a macaroon. It happens. It happens. I'm okay. I'm okay with it. You know, I know last week I said this happens, but hey, I never had one of those little delicious little morsels before. And I don't know when the next time I'll be able to, because, you know, your girl's cheap and I'm not spending all that for them little cookies. But those things are good. Girl, they're so damn good. They're so little, but they're just light and anyways, beyond the point, they're good. But I have one and I'm okay with it. But I still stayed on par, and I still, you know, I had one and I moved on. And then that was it, you know? And that's how I'm going to live my life. That's how everybody should live their life. And that's what I'm going to tell you. Whatever it is that happens, whether it's something in your personal life or whatever, you have to pick up the pieces and rebuild. You can't stay stagnant, because what happens is life goes on without you. And the deeper you get in that hole, the harder it is for you to pull yourself out. And before you know it, so much time has passed, and you know, it just happens. And that's with weight loss, that's with personal issues, that's with your career, or whatever it is. I did want to talk about one thing, not keto related, but you know, we're friends and we support each other. I had the honor, I'm going to say, of attending a school on Friday in one of the Chicago public schools here, and they had a career day, and they had me there for a job, you know, like a career option for these kids. And I went as a social media influencer, basically as a vlogger, YouTuber, and these kids were wonderful. and they were so kind, and they were just so enthusiastic, and they're smart, man. I had kids in first grade like quizzing me about YouTube. They were pretty upset that I didn't know JoJo Siwa or Shane Dawson, but nonetheless, they were really smart, and just, they were really great. They were really a great bunch of little brains there. And it gives you so much hope for the future, because these kids were just generally just kind and excited, and just trying to be like, oh my God, like I had little cards or whatever, and they're like, I'm gonna subscribe. Like, they wanted to be, I was like, look kid, you subscribe, you're my friend. If you see, you know, go ahead and message me. Like, my message to them was, whatever you want to be, you can do it. Don't ever let anybody tell you you cannot. You know, when I started this whole YouTube journey, I did not have a lot of supporters in my personal life, except for like my husband and my kids. And people think it's crazy, you know, I mean, you know, sharing your personal life, sharing your family, coming on here for scrutiny in the world that we live in. But you guys have made it 100,000,000% worth it. Worth every second, every hour, every minute that I've put into creating this family with us. You guys have made this journey amazing, and I truly love you guys for it. And I try to tell them that, like, the world is a scary place, you know, but there's so many good people in it. And thank you guys for being those good people for me, because I cherish and appreciate every one of you, every one of your comments and your supports, and I really love it. And I don't think I could be as successful on this journey without you guys. And that's not just keto, that's everything that I've done on here, and I appreciate it so very much. And I love you guys. So just want to add that in there. Just want to add that little bit of sentiment in there. So I want to know how your guys' week are doing. Are you guys sticking to it? Are you guys trying something different? Are you guys cooking something different? Yeah, you know, this is, you know, we do a little bit of everything around here. So I do have a couple really kind of different videos in mind that I'm going to start, because I have one that's like a kind of like try it type deal that I've seen on Pinterest, and they're like, oh, this works, this works, this works. So I'm going to try it, and I'm going to see if it works. So we're going to try it. It's going to be more on the beauty side, but it's good. It's going to be a good one. Leo's going to help me. So, well, with that being said, I just want to say happy Sunday. I hope you guys are excited for this week, all the new possibilities that it's bringing to you. Know that if you've had a mess up, if this weekend was just a total blur, it's okay. Wake up tomorrow, positive mind, you know, fierce hunger in your belly for a fresh start, and know that you can do it, okay? And, you know, I support you. I support whatever you guys are trying to do. I'm here for it. And yeah, so we're going to have our new workout regimen this week. Like I said, we did the scale 173.6. That's what I'm sitting at right now. I'm going to flip the mirror around. It's kind of dusty, my bad. But we're going to get a full body shot so you guys can kind of see what we're working with. I just got home from the gym, so I'm kind of nasty. But, you know, it's real life, okay? We working. Okay, mama got goals. Okay, and I just, you know, wanted to hurry up while I still got this pre-workout pumping through my veins, and, you know, I'm not, like, dead to the world. But look out for this. It's going to be 4 meals, I think, because I'm going to start filming tonight, and I'm going to put it up on Thursday. So it'll be 4 nights of dinner. Tonight's dinner is going to be so damn good. We having a nacho night, homemade salsa and all. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just so excited for it. But all right, let's flip this camera around. Let me show you. Okay, so here is our body shot here. These leggings are just too big. I gotta get rid of them, but they're so comfortable. And yeah, so I got this hoodie on here, so we're gonna pull it up. Oh, my neighbor's back here. She's probably looking at me like I'm crazy. All right, so waist is a little pudgy right now because, you know, I've just eaten. But yeah, so we'll see how next week's go. And this is what I'm looking like at, let's maybe flip it this way. This is what we are looking like at about 173.6. These legs, honey, they just so damn thick. They don't want to budge, but we working on it. So there you go. 90% of the time. That's it, guys. So make sure you subscribe and you like this video, and I will see you on the next one. Until then, keep doing you, boo. I believe in you, honey. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.